To lubricate the hinges and the latches and the liftgate, I'm going to use some liquid wrench, white lithium grease, stays in place, prevents rust on the hinges only. This likes to come out all at once. Try and just push down really easy, get a little bit in there. Oops. I'll have to wipe that off. I'll open and close the gate a few times to work that in. There's two latches on the liftgate, and on this latch I'm using WD-40 Specialist Water Resistant Silicone Lubricant, and this dries dry, so it won't collect dust and stuff. And the lithium grease is petroleum based, and that can damage rubber and plastic parts and stuff, so silicone works better. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. And I'll close the lift gate, open and shut it a few times, get that lubricant in there, and that's it. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.